Hello and welcome to Best Online Tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to put a photo in a frame in Canva. First thing you want to do is to find the frame you're going to use, and you can just scroll down to find frames. You can click frames. You can choose what frame you want to have. For this video, I'm just going to choose, let's say, this one. And then you go to uploads and you can choose any photo, just drag it to the frame, and you could reshape the picture. And another thing I want to show you is if you edit the photo and go to smart mockups, you could put your design on a hoodie or in a phone or let's say a lot of phones, computer. So this was it for this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.